In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks how to stop the beep after entering transactions. If QuickBooks makes a beep sound every time you record a transaction, that can get distracting pretty quickly, especially if you're entering a lot of data throughout the day. The good news is that this setting is easy to change, and you can turn that sound off in just a moment from your preferences. To begin, look at the top menu inside QuickBooks and open the Edit menu. This menu contains a range of program settings, including the preferences that control how QuickBooks behaves during everyday tasks. Once the Edit menu is open, choose Preferences. This will open the main Preferences window, where you can adjust different settings for the software. Inside the Preferences window, select General. This section includes some of the basic behavior settings for QuickBooks, including the sound you hear when a transaction is recorded. After opening General, make sure you are on the My Preferences tab. That tab is where you'll find personal user-level settings related to how QuickBooks works for you during data entry and navigation. Now look for the option labeled Beep when recording a transaction. If that box is currently checked, QuickBooks will play a sound each time a transaction is entered or recorded. To stop that beep, simply uncheck the box. This change tells QuickBooks not to play that sound going forward. Once you've unchecked the setting, click OK to save your changes. That's the final step. After you close the Preferences window, QuickBooks should stop making the beep when you enter transactions. If you don't notice the change right away, try entering another transaction to test the setting. In most cases, the update takes effect immediately after clicking OK. This is a small adjustment, but it can make a big difference if you want a quieter workspace and fewer interruptions while working. This is especially helpful for anyone doing repetitive bookkeeping tasks, because removing unnecessary sounds can make data entry feel smoother and less tiring over time. If your goal is to reduce distractions and make QuickBooks a little more comfortable to use, this simple preference change is definitely worth doing. That's all it takes to turn off the beep after entering transactions in QuickBooks.